Every client arrives in China with expectations. Some come looking for better prices. Others come searching for better quality. But almost everyone arrives with the same question. Can Chinese furniture really compete with the world's best? Today you'll hear the answer from our clients from Australia, who came to China to experience everything firsthand.
Hello everyone, this is GLOBUS team, and today we have our amazing clients from Australia with us. This is Nigel and this is Rosina.
Hello.
Nigel and Rosina traveled from Australia to China to furnish their entire home. A few days, dozens of furniture factories, hundreds of furniture options, and one decision that will shape the home they'll live in for years to come. Today, Nigel and Rosina will share whether China lived up to their expectations.
I will just ask you several very simple questions about your furniture tour and overall experience. And the first one, I know that lots of people, they don't have a trust in Chinese production chain, and they actually didn't build it yet because they have many assumptions that the quality here is very bad. So did you have any concerns or doubts before coming to China? And what inspired you to actually come and have the furniture tour with our company?
I think firstly, we did have reservations because of what we'd heard, and you kind of go into our local shops and you kind of look around and you think, oh, it's not, the quality wasn't there. Obviously, our people that buy things in are getting the worst quality. So we thought, okay. And then our architect recommended, and then our electrician recommended, and we were getting all this positivity back for recommending to come here in person to try and see what we could source ourselves. And then we sort of did a lot of homework ourselves too on YouTube and the internet. And we liked obviously the presentation that you were offering, and we homed in on that because of the quality of your, what you had to offer. And we went from there, really.
Oh, that's amazing. Yeah. That's really great to hear. And you visited so many factories. What impressed you the most and what became your biggest surprise?
I think the vastness of the factories. The first one we visited was on 5 floors. That was quite overwhelming. And we thought, surely it's got to come to an end, the quality and everything. And we were going around and we're thinking, oh my goodness, it just keeps coming. It's just like, what do we choose? And yeah, I think every time we saw something lovely, we were thinking, can't get any better than this. And it was just overwhelming how much we liked. And so many factories to visit, like that was our first stop and we were overwhelmed by that. So you can imagine the choices that we were looking at. Yeah. It was a lot.
Yeah, I think you've done a good job because, as you said, there's so many factories here, and you choosing which ones to take us to, and so it helps the situation. Otherwise, like you say, it's just
we couldn't have possibly navigated that ourselves, could we? No.
You've done a great job in choosing the ones to go to, and obviously the people that are at the factories are very helpful and welcoming. So that's a big thing.
While you're watching this video, we are sourcing projects for clients in dozens of countries, from the CIS to the UAE and North America. Remote sourcing requires absolute trust. That's why 30 dedicated professionals are working on your order. Our personalized approach and 15 years of experience allow us to deliver turnkey projects, so all you have to do is accept the finished result. Are you in another country but want to work with us? Book an online consultation on our website.
And my question also, how valuable was the furniture tour, to see everything in person, to touch every material? Because I know that not everything can be seen through videos or photos that we can also provide during the selection online.
Exactly, and that was me personally. I'm a bit like that with clothing and shoes. I like to try things on and work it out and feel the fabric. So to be able to actually go around and sit on the furniture and feel the quality and go through their sample areas where they have more than that, it was great.
I think you always say in your videos or whatever, you got to sit, touch and feel, and it's very much,
it helps.
Also the colors, and it's good to see the swatch, but we want, oh look, that's the whole thing in that color, and you think, okay, this helps big time. I will go for that color.
Yeah, to be fair, many of our clients, they do have doubts in the material selection and the quality of materials, especially when it's coming to fabrics, because they can consist of any different things And some people, they do think that it's a very low quality fabrics here.
And I don't know why that perception has always been there. So you've certainly changed ours. Yeah.
Yeah, it's everyone, a lot of people in Australia are realising, the people that, as you said, the accountants, even the tradesmen now are beginning to realise that, you know, they're actually coming here to source stuff as well. The perception is changing now. So that's a good thing.
And how has the furniture tour changed your perception about buying the furniture from China? Like the overall?
It's like I don't really want to go anywhere else because you have so much choice. So I will definitely be back. Or I know I have confidence in approaching you again if we want to replace something, for instance. But to be fair, to hop on a plane to get here was easy, and we would definitely consider coming over again to do that if we had to replace any items or add items at any stage. Recommend to friends. They do the same, and you have obviously you have online, you know, as well, which now we would have confidence in ordering from, to be fair. And you've done lots of homework yourselves to be able to get that put together in such a way, which is great for us. Yeah, so a lot of confidence.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And also, we got so many feedbacks that, for example, European manufacturers, they don't accept customization in like shapes or forms, and in China, everything you can actually imagine can be customized.
It's a big thing because, you know, you talk to someone, we're used to going somewhere where you can have two choices, that one or that one. Oh, but the size isn't quite right or whatever. And here they go, oh, no problem. And you go, oh, okay, I like this. So,
And that's with everything you look at. To be fair, it's like, oh, you think you're seeing what you're getting. So we have to think outside the box ourselves when we're looking at things, because obviously you can offer different, you know, varieties of things. So, and that's the joy. You can coordinate special order and have it all coordinating at the same time. So, yeah, that's good.
And how do you find working with your personal manager? Did you feel supported throughout the tour?
Absolutely supported. I have every confidence in her when she's going to be checking everything and coordinating colours, and I really appreciate that support actually, because it's a big thing getting your palette right, and yeah, and your colour schemes in order, and coordinating rugs and lighting, and yeah, it's a big thing to get it all done and be happy with the end product. So
yeah,
looking forward to
having her
that.
on board's been absolutely superb because it's the confidence she gives you. And
She's
you know,
made it easier for us.
nothing's too difficult. You know, so it's been great.
With the furniture selected and every detail approved, Nigel and Rosina's order is now in production. But choosing the furniture is only half the journey. From this point on, the GLOBUS QC team takes over. They oversee production, inspect every item, verify every detail against the approved order, and make sure everything meets the highest quality standards before it leaves China. Here's how that process works.
In the future, you're also going to meet some of our team members as well, like our QC managers, our logisticians. So you will also meet them. And Lika, she's actually going to oversee all stages of the project as well as me. And we actually hope that everything is going to go smoothly.
I'm sure it will, and we trust you immensely. And you have a great team from what we've seen already. All the staff are lovely and they're very happy, and yeah, it makes us happy.
And the last question to conclude everything, what would you say to someone who is still unsure about coming to China to buy furniture?
I would say take a leap of faith, come over and see for yourself. We can only recommend so much. But if you're willing to take that, you know, that trip, come over and see, and you'll be very surprised and overwhelmed by your experience.
Thank you so much for your time and for the interview.
You're very welcome.
I was very delighted to talk to you.
Thank you.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thank you.